Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications within the Betway application. So let's get started right away. First of all, locate the Betway application on your device and long press on it and you will see the info button. Tap on the info button and you will be taken into the application info page for Betway. Now underneath privacy, tap on notifications and this will take you into the notification page. Tap on the toggle button alongside allow notifications and this will turn off the notification for the Betway application on your device right away. You can come back to this menu and turn on the notification if you wish later in the future at any point in time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications from the Betway application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.